Do you want a resume that actually gets noticed? Not just by recruiters, but by those pesky applicant tracking systems, the ATS bots, that filter out countless applications before a human ever sees them? You know, the ones that make you feel like your perfectly crafted resume just vanished into the digital void? Well, if you've been on the job hunt, you've probably heard of Kickresume. It's one of the big players in the online resume builder game, promising to help you create a professional, ATS-friendly resume with ease. But here's the million-dollar question, or rather, the multi-dollar question. How much does Kickresume actually cost? And is it worth it? Stick around because we're diving deep into Kickresume's pricing structure, what you get for your money, and whether it truly stands out in a crowded market. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Kickresume is the right investment for your job search. First things first, let's talk about the free option. Yes, Kickresume does have a free plan. It's not just a trial. It's a genuinely usable free tier. With the free plan, you get access to 4 basic resume templates, for matching cover letter templates, and 1 basic website template. You can also tap into their impressive library of over 1,500 resume examples and 20,000 pre-written phrases, which can be incredibly helpful when you're staring at a blank page. And here's a big plus. You get unlimited downloads. That means you can create as many resumes as you need and download them without any watermarks, as long as you stick to the free customization options. So, if you're on a tight budget or just want to test the waters, the free plan is a solid starting point. It's perfect for crafting a simple, professional resume without spending a dime. However, as with most free versions, there are limitations. The templates are basic, and you won't have access to the full suite of advanced features and design customization that Kickresume offers. This is where the paid plans come in. Kickresume offers several premium subscription options designed to cater to different needs and budgets. Let's break them down. The monthly plan is priced at $19 per month. This is your most flexible option if you only need Kickresume for a short, intense job search period. For this monthly fee, you unlock everything Kickresume has to offer. This includes access to over 40 professional resume templates, 40 matching cover letter templates, and 7 personal website templates. You also get unlimited access to their AI writer, which can generate professional summaries and work experiences in seconds, and their ATS resume checker, a crucial tool that scans your resume for issues and helps you optimize it for those automated systems. Plus, you receive priority email and chat support. It's a good choice if you anticipate needing the premium features for a month or two. Next up, we have the quarterly plan, which is billed at $39 every 3 months. This works out to approximately $13 per month, offering a decent saving compared to the monthly plan. This is a popular choice for job seekers who want full access without committing to a full year. It provides a good balance of features and value, giving you enough time to refine your documents and apply for multiple positions. An added perk of the quarterly plan is that you can gift a friend 1 month of Kickresume Premium, which is a nice bonus if you know someone else on the job hunt. Finally, for the best value, there's the yearly plan. This plan costs $84 annually, which breaks down to an incredible $7 per month. That's a significant saving, making it the most cost-effective option for long-term users or anyone who anticipates a prolonged job search. With the yearly plan, you get all the premium features just like the monthly and quarterly plans. And if you opt for the yearly subscription, you can gift 1 month of Kickresume Premium to 5 of your friends, a value of $95. This plan is ideal if you want to take your time, create multiple versions of your resume and cover letter, or simply have the peace of mind of having access to top-tier tools whenever you need them throughout the year. Beyond these standard subscriptions, Kickresume also offers a specialized grammar correction plan for $26 per document. This isn't a subscription but a one-time service where professional human proofreaders will review your resume and cover letter for typos, grammatical errors, and awkward phrasing. They also provide editor's notes if there's any ambiguity, ensuring your documents are absolutely flawless. This can be a valuable add-on if you want that extra layer of professional polish. So, when we ask if Kickresume is worth it, it really depends on your needs. If you just need a basic, clean resume and aren't too concerned with advanced customization or AI assistance, the free plan is surprisingly robust. It allows you to create and download unlimited resumes, which is more generous than many other free builders out there. However, if you're serious about your job search and want to leverage all the tools at your disposal, the premium plans offer significant advantages. The AI writer can save you hours by generating content. The ATS resume checker is invaluable for getting past automated filters, and the vast selection of professional templates ensures your resume stands out visually. The ability to create a personal website is also a huge plus, especially for creatives or those who want a more dynamic online presence. Compared to alternatives like Ziti or Resume.io, Kickresume often comes out as a more affordable option, especially with its yearly plan. Many competitors charge similar or even higher monthly fees, and their free versions might be more restrictive. Kickresume also stands out by offering 6 months of free premium access to students and teachers, which is a fantastic initiative. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some user reviews mention that while the AI is helpful, it might not be as advanced as some expect for highly nuanced career situations like significant career gaps or complex career changes, requiring more manual editing. Also, while there are many templates, some users have found the template editing options to be somewhat limited in terms of granular control over spacing and section sizes. But overall, Kickresume is a legitimate and highly rated platform. With over 70,000 happy customers and strong reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, it's clear that many job seekers find it effective. The key strengths lie in its ease of use, the quality of its professional templates, and the comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools that genuinely streamline the resume building process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.